You're surrounded by potential cures, with 20,000 plant species already being used in medicine. The Amazon rainforest, for instance, is a treasure trove, with 40,000 plant species, many of which remain a mystery to us. Consider the Madagascar periwinkle, a plant that has been used to create medications for childhood leukemia, with a cure rate of over 90%, that's a staggering number. Think about it, the right plant could be hiding in plain sight, even in your own backyard. What if the cure for a deadly disease is growing in your garden, waiting to be discovered? You might be walking on it right now, unaware of its potential. The connection between nature and medicine is fascinating. Did you know that certain species of fungi can even help clean up pollution in soil? It's surprising to learn that mycoremediation, the process of using fungi to degrade pollutants, is being explored as a viable solution for environmental cleanup. As you go about your day, remember that the natural world is full of secrets, and you never know what might be lurking just beneath your feet, waiting to be uncovered. Meet the pharmacognist, a modern-day treasure hunter on a mission to uncover the next big thing in medicine. They're not searching for gold or riches, but for molecules with the power to heal. Imagine a vast library with millions of books, each one containing a unique story of chemical compounds and potential cures. That's what pharmacognists face when searching for new medicines, a daunting task that requires patience, dedication, and a keen eye for detail. Take the example of Taxol, a molecule extracted from the Pacific yew tree, which has been used to develop a powerful cancer treatment, saving countless lives. In fact, it's estimated that over 70% of new drugs approved by the FDA between 1981 and 2010 were derived from natural products. You might be surprised to learn that some pharmacognists are now exploring the depths of the ocean for new medicines, where they've discovered unique organisms with potent healing properties. It's a challenging process, but the reward is well worth it, finding that one molecule that could change the course of medical history. With each new discovery, pharmacognists bring hope to those suffering from diseases, and that's a treasure worth more than gold. You have 37.2 trillion cells in your body, each one a potential target for a new medicine. That's a staggering number, and it's what makes the work of pharmacognists so fascinating. ATP synthase is the enzyme that powers your cells, a tiny motor that keeps you alive. It's responsible for generating most of the energy your body needs to function. For instance, the pharmaceutical company Novartis has been searching for molecules that can interact with this enzyme to develop new treatments for diseases like cancer. They're looking for the right key to unlock a new medicine, one that could revolutionize the way we treat certain conditions. Interestingly, did you know that the human nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents, and yet, when it comes to finding the right molecule, it's like searching for a needle in a haystack. The right molecule could be a game changer, and researchers are leaving no stone unturned. Take, for example, the discovery of Taxol, a molecule found in the bark of the Pacific yew tree, which has been used to develop a powerful cancer treatment, with over 1.4 million patients treated worldwide since its approval in 1992. The vagus nerve is like a highway that connects your brain to your body, regulating everything from your heart rate to digestion. What if a new medicine could target this nerve? It could revolutionize the treatment of diseases like epilepsy and depression. For instance, a study on vagus nerve stimulation at the University of California, Los Angeles, showed a significant reduction in seizures in patients with epilepsy, with some experiencing a whopping 50% decrease. You might be surprised at how much the vagus nerve affects your daily life. It's like a hidden controller that regulates your body. Interestingly, the vagus nerve is also linked to your gut health, with research suggesting that it plays a role in the production of certain neurotransmitters, like serotonin. In fact, did you know that the vagus nerve is also responsible for the gut-brain connection, and that it can even influence your mood and cognitive function? It's a complex system, but one that holds a lot of promise for future medical breakthroughs. As you go about your day, your vagus nerve is hard at work, regulating your body's functions without you even realizing it. You can't see it, but it's always working behind the scenes. You're probably taking a bioproduct right now, and it's likely having a significant impact on your life. 25% of medicines come from nature, which is astounding when you think about it. Your stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve a nail, but the right bioproduct can help soothe it. Take, for example, the Madagascar periwinkle, a plant that has been used to develop treatments for childhood leukemia, resulting in a cure rate of over 90%. It's a powerful reminder of the importance of bioprospecting. Think about the last time you took an antacid. It might have contained a molecule from a natural source, like calcium carbonate from shells or limestone. You're already benefiting from bioprospecting, even if you don't realize it. Surprisingly, did you know that certain species of fungi can even help clean up environmental pollutants like oil spills? It's a fascinating area of research that could have a major impact on our planet. As you go about your day, remember that the natural world is full of hidden solutions, just waiting to be discovered and harnessed to improve our lives. Most people think that bioprospecting is just about discovering new plants, but that's a narrow view. It's about finding new molecules, wherever they may be, and the ocean is a vast source of untapped medicines. Consider the story of Yondelis, a cancer drug developed from a sea squirt found off the coast of Spain. It was approved by the FDA in 2015 and has since been used to treat thousands of patients. Many marine organisms have unique molecules that can't be found anywhere else, like the venom of the cone snail, which contains a powerful painkiller. You might be surprised at how much the ocean has to offer. In fact, did you know that a single liter of seawater can contain up to 1 million different microorganisms, each with its own potential for discovery? The diversity of marine life is staggering, and researchers are only just beginning to tap into it. As you explore the ocean's depths, you'll find a world of possibility, from coral reefs to deep-sea vents, each with its own secrets waiting to be uncovered. The ocean's potential for medical breakthroughs is immense, and it's an exciting time for bioprospectors like you. In 1953, two scientists made a bet that changed everything. They bet that a certain molecule could be found in nature. And they were right. The molecule was called cephalosporin, and it's still used today as an antibiotic. You might not know that you owe your life to a bet between two scientists. It's a surprising story that highlights the power of bioprospecting. For instance, the discovery of cephalosporin by Giuseppe Brazzu and Edward Abraham led to the development of a wide range of antibiotics, with over 100 million prescriptions filled worldwide every year. You can find cephalosporin in medicines like Keflex and Ciclor. What's more, did you know that scientists are still discovering new species of fungi and bacteria in the most unlikely places, like the depths of the ocean or even in your own backyard? In fact, a species of fungus found in the Amazon rainforest has been shown to produce a compound that can kill certain types of cancer cells. It's mind-boggling to think that a simple bet between two scientists could lead to such groundbreaking discoveries, and it's a testament to the incredible potential of bioprospecting to improve our lives. You'll repeat this to someone tomorrow: bioprospecting is the key to unlocking new medicines. But here's the question: what if the next big discovery is hidden in plain sight? What if you're walking on it right now? The search for new medicines is a never-ending journey, and you're a part of it. Consider the Madagascar periwinkle, a plant that was once considered a weed, but now is the source of two crucial anti-cancer drugs, vinblastine and vincristine, which have helped increase childhood leukemia survival rates from 10% to 90%. You might be surprised to learn that a significant portion of modern medicines have originated from nature, with around 50% of drugs approved in the US between 1990 and 2007 being derived from or inspired by natural products. The fact that there are still thousands of plant species yet to be studied is astounding. For instance, did you know that the axolotl, a type of salamander, has the unique ability to regrow its limbs, and scientists are now exploring how this ability could lead to new treatments for human injuries? As you go about your day, remember that the natural world is full of secrets waiting to be uncovered.